Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are exploring the world of data processing with PySpark on a Databricks Community Edition. Get ready to dive into the LeetCode SQL challenge with datasets and code running right on the Databricks. Let's dive in. Products having a column names as column product ID, low fats, and recyclable, and they have given the types of the data as well. So if you see here, if based on the example, you'll get a clear idea about it. So the products and fats, low fats, and the recyclable having product ID as integer value and low fats as enum, which is only two values exist, and similar to the recyclable as well. So what they have asked is write a solution to find out the IDs of the products that are both low fat as well as recyclable. So that means we have to find out the product ID which is having low fat and recyclable. So we have to meet the conditions of S here. So let me try to find out the solution in PySpark. So we are using we are using Databricks Community Edition. So I'm just if you see here, I already started my cluster. So I'm just importing Spark session, as well as we don't need any Spark session, but I'm just calling necessary libraries here. So I'm just running it. So if you see here, I'm just calling data as well as schema. That's how we create a data frame in a data. So we see here, I'm just data frame, I'm just calling Spark and creating a data frame with data as well as schema. So similar to what we have in LeetCode. So I'm just showing the data, you will get a clear idea about it. So if you see here, product ID, low fats, and recyclable. So what is the problem we have? We have to find out the solution who is having low fat as well as recyclable. So let me on a data frame, I have to create a new data frame, which is a resulted data frame, result df. I'm just creating it. So on here, I have to filter the records on a data frame what we have created. Data frame filter. So what are the columns we need to filter? Low fats as well as recyclable. So I'm just we using call function to call the columns. So if you see here, what is the another condition? What is the condition? It be S and what are the another condition we have? We have to be recyclable as well. The column it be recyclable as well. So I'm using the parenthesis here. So we have the resulted df here. I need only the specific column, which is a product ID. So let me try to find it out. So resulted df dot, I have to select the column name only. So let me select it. So what is the column name? So product ID dot show. If you see here, we got the result. That's it for today's PySpark LeetCode solution on our Databricks Community Edition. Ready for more? Check out the links for SQL and Pandas. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.